A rifle should not cost as much as a used car. Today, we are looking at the most underrated rifles on the market, including a $400 sleeper with a precision Bergara-built barrel and battle-ready legends you can absolutely trust if a war breaks out tomorrow. If you want maximum reliability without draining your savings account, pay close attention to this countdown. Number 9. PSA PA-15. Palmetto State Armory built the PA-15 around one mandate: mil-spec materials at a price nobody else in the market was willing to hold. Around $350 gets you a forged 7075 T6 aluminum upper and lower receiver, a 16-inch 4150 chrome moly vanadium barrel with knit ride finish and a 1-in-7 twist that stabilizes the full range of 5.56 NATO bullet weights, a shot-peen Carpenter 158 bolt with a properly staked gas key built to military specification, and a 6-position adjustable stock, all American-made, every unit covered by a full lifetime warranty. The platform feeds from every standard AR-15 magazine in production, meaning your magazine ecosystem has no additional cost to build. The mil-spec trigger is honest and functional. It is not a match trigger. It does not claim to be. And a $20 spring kit resolves that completely if it matters to you. What you will not find at this price, from any competitor, is this combination of forged construction, nitride-treated barrel, and mil-spec bolt materials. The PA-15 sets the floor for what affordable means in the AR-15 market, high enough to make manufacturers charging twice as much justify every dollar. Number 8 has been setting a different kind of floor since before most of this audience was born. Number 8. Ruger 1022. Ruger introduced the 1022 in 1964 and has been building it ever since. Not because they could not afford to redesign it, because the fundamental engineering was correct from the start and 62 years of market feedback has confirmed it. The standard carbine runs under $300 and delivers a cold hammer-forged 18.5-inch barrel locked into an aluminum receiver by Ruger's 2-screw V-block system, a 10-round detachable rotary magazine that remains the most reliable rimfire feeding design in production, and an aftermarket parts ecosystem so extensive that you could build a complete rifle from scratch without using a single factory Ruger component. Chambered in .22 long rifle, this is not a deer rifle and it makes no claim to be one. It is the definitive small game platform, pest control tool, and training rifle for every new shooter you will ever hand a firearm to, at a price that does not punish your wallet every time you pull the trigger. Within the envelope this rifle operates in, nothing at this price competes. The 1022 does not just last, it becomes whatever you ask it to be. A stock carbine today and a precision-tuned competition rimfire tomorrow. Number 7 is where the centerfire bolt-action value argument begins. Number 7. Savage Axis 2. Savage made one move with the Axis 2 that permanently changed how the budget bolt gun category gets evaluated. They put a genuinely adjustable trigger on a $300 hunting rifle and then guaranteed it shoots. The ACU trigger is use-adjustable with an internal blade safety that prevents accidental discharge while letting you dial in a pull weight that actually feels right. The 22-inch button-rifled carbon steel barrel, thread-in head spacing, and floating bolt head consistently delivers sub-MOA with quality factory ammunition. At 100 yards, that means every round hits where a deer-sized animal does not survive the impact. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 30-06, 270 Winchester, 243 Winchester, and more. Every mainstream North American hunting caliber runs in this platform. The stock is honest synthetic, functional, and nothing more. My brother-in-law has called it the most boring rifle he has ever owned every time someone asks him about it. He has also taken it hunting every single November for 4 years running without complaint. That might be the most accurate endorsement a field rifle can earn. Number 6 arrives carrying one of the most respected names in American firearms history, and a price that still shocks people when they hear it. Number 6. Winchester XPR. Winchester has been manufacturing rifles for over 150 years. The XPR is their modern, purpose-built bolt-action for the hunter who wants that name, that lineage, and that reputation for reliability, without paying for a nameplate. At right around $550, the XPR runs a 3-lug push-feed bolt with a 60-degree lift. That shorter arc of travel means faster cycling and clean scope clearance whether you are wearing gloves or working from an awkward shooting position. The nickel Teflon coating on the bolt body makes it glide back and forth in the receiver and provides meaningful rust resistance in field conditions. Winchester's MOA trigger system ships on every XPR, adjustable for over travel and pull weight, braking at around 3 pounds with virtually no creep and a clean, crisp brake that field and stream testers called virtually perfect. The free-floated barrel on standard models runs 22 to 24 inches depending on caliber, seated in a composite stock with a steel recoil lug and textured grip panels that hold in wet conditions. Available in 243 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 270 Winchester, 30-06, 300 Winchester Magnum, and more. Real-world groups from the bench consistently land under an inch at 100 yards with quality factory ammunition. The trade-off is a 2-position safety rather than 3, and an aftermarket support base that is thinner than Remington's 700 territory, though both are fair observations for a rifle at this price rather than actual field problems. A Winchester that shoots sub-MOA for $550. That sentence alone earns a spot on this list. Number 5 is where the AR platform makes its most complete case for refinement at this price. Number 5. S&W M&P 15 Sport 3. Smith & Wesson has been building M&P 15 pattern rifles since 2010, and the Sport 3 is the first version of that platform that feels genuinely engineered rather than assembled to a price. At around $500, the critical upgrade on this rifle sits under the handguard where most buyers never look. A mid-length gas system in place of the carbine length system on every previous Sport generation. Longer gas dwell time means a softer, more distributed recoil impulse. Every round through this rifle is noticeably more manageable than equivalent carbine gas AR, and in the field that translates directly to faster, more accurate follow-up shots. The barrel is a 16-inch Armonite-coated 5R rifle tube on a 1-in-8 twist. The 5R profile, 5 grooves with angled rather than square-cut edges, accumulates copper fouling slower, cleans easier, and handles a broader range of 5.56 bullet weights with stable flight than a standard 6-groove barrel. Forged 70-75 T6 upper and lower receivers. Chromed firing pin. Forward assist. Dust cover. 15-inch free-floating MLOK handguard. 6-position stock. 6.52 pounds. No iron sight ship with it, so plan for a red dot from the start. Is this the better buy over the PA-15? Drop your honest answer in the comments. Number 4 is carrying a barrel that has no business being at its price. Number 4. CVA Cascade. Most of the shooting world knows CVA from muzzle loaders. What most of the shooting world does not know is that CVA sits under the same parent company as Bergara, and the Cascade ships from the factory with a Bergara manufactured barrel. Around $400. Bergara barrel. A factory MOA accuracy guarantee that CVA backs with a 14-day satisfaction policy. Shoot it, verify it personally, and return it if it fails to group inside an inch. The standard Cascade runs a 22-inch threaded carbon steel barrel, free-floated in a fiberglass reinforced synthetic stock with an integral bedding block. The 3-lug 70-degree bolt requires significantly less arc of travel than a traditional 90-degree design, which means faster cycling and better scope clearance from any shooting position. The adjustable trigger breaks between 2 and 4 pounds from the factory with zero creep. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 243 Winchester, 7mm 08, 6.5 PRC, 300 Winchester Magnum, and more. Adjustable length of pull ships standard, which most manufacturers reserve for premium configurations. The honest limitation is a 2-position safety rather than 3. That is the entire downside. A Bergara barrel and a factory MOA guarantee at $400 should be embarrassing every overpriced mid-range bolt gun currently on the shelf. Number 3 is where refinement, proven field accuracy, and a head-to-head best value award from a major publication all come together at still reasonable money. Number 3. Ruger American Gen 2. Ruger took the original American rifle, already one of the most respected value bolt actions ever made, and improved it in every meaningful way without sending the price out of range. The Gen 2 runs right around $500 and ships with a cold hammer-forged barrel locked in by Ruger's power bedding integral bedding block system, which positively locates the receiver for repeatable, consistent accuracy that does not shift when the stock absorbs moisture or flexes in field conditions. Spiral fluted barrel options cut weight, increase cooling surface area between shots, and improve field balance. Enlarged bolt handle for positive cycling in cold weather gloves. The stock adjusts for both length of pull and comb height via removable spaces. The Marksman adjustable trigger is configurable between 3 and 5 pounds with a single screw, no tools required. The 3-position tang safety is the detail experienced hunters specifically notice. The middle position blocks the trigger while allowing the bolt to cycle freely, so you can safely unload a live round with the safety engaged. Factory-installed Picatinny scope base, AI-style, or AR pattern magazines depending on caliber, available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 30-06, 243 Winchester, 5.56 NATO, and 7.62x39. Field & Stream awarded this rifle their best value pick in head-to-head testing against guns at multiple times its price. In 6.5 Creedmoor with the fluted 20-inch barrel and factory muzzle brake, this rifle makes clean, ethical harvests on deer-sized game at 300 yards in practiced hands. Is this the best bolt action under $1,000 in America? Drop your take in the comments. Guns and Geeks needs that data, and I read every single one. Number 2 is where Finnish engineering enters this conversation and changes it completely. Number 2, Tikka T3x Lite. Tikka is a subsidiary of Sacco, the Finnish manufacturer that has been building some of the most mechanically precise bolt actions in the world for nearly a century. The T3x Lite is the version of that platform price for the hunter who wants Finnish-made precision without the Sacco price tag, and it delivers something that should not be possible at $700 to $800, a factory 1 accuracy guarantee, a cold hammer-forged barrel, and an action so smooth that shooters coming off any bolt gun in this price bracket describe the T3x bolt as genuinely startling when they first run it. Under 6.5 pounds, the bolt runs on a 70-degree lift with 2 locking lugs, a plunger ejector, and a spring-loaded extractor. Cycling it feels like nothing else in this segment. The single-stage adjustable trigger is set between 2 and 4 pounds from the factory, adjustable through the magazine well without removing the stock, and breaks cleanly at whatever weight you dial in. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 30-06, 270 Winchester, 243 Winchester, 7mm 08, 300 Winchester Magnum, 6.5 PRC, and more. The caliber selection is as wide as any rifle on this list. The detachable polymer magazine feeds reliably at 0 degrees, which matters to the men watching this. Threaded barrel options ship on most configurations. The honest limitation is the recoil pad, functional and nothing more, and the stock cannot be adjusted for length of pull or comb height without buying Tikka's separately sold accessories. For a rifle built in Finland under the Sacco roof, shooting under a minute of angle with a factory guarantee at this price, those are the trade-offs. At this price-to-performance ratio, the T3x Lite is what every other rifle in the $700 tier is being quietly compared against, whether they admit it or not. Number 1 does not just claim sub-MOA. It guarantees it on paper, backs it with a lifetime warranty, and does it under 5 pounds. Number 1, Howa Superlite Gen 2. The Howa 1500 action has been in continuous production since 1979. It served as the barreled action inside Weatherby Vanguard rifles for years. It has functioned as a precision platform for military and police sniper applications in multiple countries. And in 2026, it remains the most mechanically disciplined production bolt action available anywhere near its price point. The Superlite Gen 2 is what Legacy Sports International built around that action, and what it achieves at around $700 should make every manufacturer in this segment uncomfortable. Under 5 pounds, a factory sub-MOA accuracy guarantee backed in writing by the importer, inside 1 inch at 100 yards with premium factory ammunition, or they want the rifle back. An HS precision stock straight from the factory, the same stock manufacturer building precision platforms that cost 2 and 3 times as much. The 1500 action runs a machined receiver paired with a forged bolt, dual locking lugs, an M16 pattern extractor and ejector assembly, and pressure vent holes that route gas safely away from the shooter in a case failure. Cold hammer forged barrel with headspace tolerances that most production manufacturers do not publish because they cannot guarantee them, which is exactly why the accuracy guarantee is not marketing. It is a mechanical consequence. The HACT 2-stage trigger, Howa adjustable crisp trigger, breaks at 2 to 3 pounds with no grit and no creep. 3-position safety, flush-fit detachable magazine, threaded muzzle, available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 243 Winchester, and 7mm 08 Remington. The HS precision stock and the sub-MOA guarantee together. At this price, from this action lineage, real specs, zero fluff, is why the Howa Superlite Gen 2 wins this list, and it is not a close conversation. The only genuine limitation worth naming. The action and barrel come in blued steel rather than Cerakote, so wet climate hunters need to run an active maintenance routine. That is the entire downside. Everything else is a performance argument that rifles at 3 times the price lose regularly. 9 rifles. Every single one of them performing above what the price tag has any right to deliver. Whether you are running the PA-15 as your do-everything carbine, picking up a 1022 for the next generation in your family, or putting a Howa Superlite Gen 2 into a pack for elk country, the value floor in this market has never been higher than it is right now. Drop your pick in the comments. If you think I ranked these wrong or left a better rifle off the list entirely, that is the argument I specifically want to see below. Hit that subscribe button on Guns and Geeks. Real specs, real gear, zero fluff, every single week. We will see you in the next one.